Hello, welcome to another video review about one of the other oils from Maison Anthony Marmin. My name is Mohammed Hassan. This is my channel Scent Explorer, and I try to explain attars and perfumes in as simple manner as I can. Okay, so today we are going to explore an attar called Mukhallat de Medellin. I think yes, Mukhallat de Medellin. So this is Mukhallat de Medellin. This is the sample I actually received. This is 0.5 ml. I always suggest that you should always try out the sample first. Now, on your request, I am going to apply it on my hands. So that is why I am wearing half sleeves this t-shirt. Normally, I don't like wearing things like that. So here we have Mukhallat de Medellin. So let's try to, oops, oh no, oh this is really sweet. So I am going to put it over here on my left hand finger. So on my first sniff, it is kind of have some incense or Arabic, spice kind of feeling to it. Then it has some of the vetiver, the coolness of the vetiver. That is why its color is a bit greenish. So you can see now it has a green tint inside it. I'm not sure, there is some kind of oil. Maybe we apply it on the head. I'm not sure. Yes, there is some, I'm not sure, there is some oil that we actually, use on our hair. So that is actually irritating me a lot. Everything else is good, but this oil is actually, it has a feeling of that you have applied some hair oil. But there is coolness of the vetiver and the spiciness that is coming, forth and going back. So this is, I'm not sure what that oil is, but it is really strange kind of, feeling. It doesn't smell very nice. Maybe I don't have association with it. Yes. So here is my review about Mukhallat de Medellin from Maison Anthony Marmin. So I would rate it like 4 out of 10. In my opinion, that oil, that smell, that hair oil is actually turning me really off for this attar. So it is like you are applying some sweet, Arabian kind of spicy oil, hair oil on your skin. So this is a big no for me. Anyhow, make sure you test it. But I got this feeling, I'm not sure. Maybe I have some, problems. Let me, clean my hands. Yes, there is some oil. I'm not sure what this is, but this is really like some mustard oil or something like that. I'm not sure what this is, but this is really putting me off. So I'm going to rate it like 4 out of 10 for scent profile and lasting. I think it is not going to last very long, but because it is not very powerful, this is my estimation, guys. So if you don't take it personally, maybe it might stay like 8 to 9 hours on your skin, but for me, I think from estimating of its power, I think it is going to stay like maybe 3 to 4 hours on skin, I guess. So this is my review about Mukhallat de Medellin from Maison Anthony Marmin. 4 out of 10, and performance would be I think 5 out of 10. So very, for me, this is a big no. This is not what I like. make sure you order this. Maybe your tradition, your country, your culture, or your own scent memories are different from mine, so you might like it. Okay, so this is my review. I hope you have liked it and enjoy it. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.